This is Party Rocker 1992, and today I'm going to be unboxing Race Tow Truck Tom from the Piston Cup collection 2013. He is 155 scale, and I got him at Walmart. And here's some more you can get, which I have all these. The Lightning McQueen, the Rusty's Lightning McQueen, the King, Nitro 8 number 28, clutches, or Marlin clutches McKay, Chick Hicks, and then Race Tow Truck. So, I'm going to unbox them now. Like I said, he's 155 scale, die-cast from Mattel. He is from the original Cars movie, the first one. And he is all complete die-cast, except for his tow cable. And the rest of them is die-cast. This back part's die-cast. This is all die-cast. Mirrors are die-cast. Wait. The mirrors are plastic, I mean. Oh, and the front part right here, his mouth is plastic. But the rest is die-cast. And he is really cool. I like him. And he has blue. And he has the same Piston Cup logo that Charlie Checker has. He's really cool. I really like him. So you should pick him up. My Walmart finally got some more cars in. So when I seen him, I was like, have to have him. So thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.